I got woken up because my truck didn't want to do a regen, so it force stopped itself. I got it to do a parked regen, went and took a shower. Now I'm rolling over to get fuel, and then we're gonna hit the road and get out of here. But we gotta treat this fuel first, because it's gonna be in the negatives supposedly all the way across Nebraska and even into Wyoming. So we'll see. This is what the roads are looking like over here at Sap Brothers. Look at that shit. But let's get to it. Let's get trucking. Okay. Well, we fueled. Looks like we're about to hit the road. Looks like Danny is getting back to his truck now, so gonna hit the road. It's fucking crack. Windshield. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. Yeah, right there. It's going all the way down here now, so I gotta call the boss, let him know about that. Because it was just underneath the visor. But since yesterday, it's come out probably about 3 inches under the visor, so I gotta call the boss, let him know about that, get that fixed. But we're hitting the road, so let's do this thing. Let's actually go trucking now. I'm gonna take this fucking hat off. But all right, I'll see y'all down the road. Well, 80 got shut down. There's no one over there on the eastbound. They shut it down, I guess, after Danny and we may have just barely slipped through, but I don't know if you guys can really tell through the time lapse. I haven't really been able to look at it yet, but yeah, that is by far the worst shit I've ever driven through. And I've been in some sketchy, total whiteout shit. This is number one, the worst shit. Now it's cleared up now, but that was fucking scary. Well, we made it to Whammerston. I'm not really in the best of moods. Almost wrecked the truck a few times. One dude almost ran me off the road, and then that put me into a slide, and I'm glad I recovered that. That was good. Or that was bad. But dude I was going 25 rolling across the ice and fighting, up to 50 mile per hour wind gust. And I'm light. I got 5,000 pounds in the trailer. And dude in a white International, he was going way too fucking fast. He passed me like I was standing still, and he came over into my lane, and with me like avoiding him and the wind and the ice, and then like the fucking wind force coming off of his truck, that was bad. That one was really bad. But I started rolling across a sheet of black ice, and the wind just fucking it knocked into the trailer or whatever, but my drives I started feeling it just spin out, and I didn't get that much of an angle under it. I saved it before like really getting bad, but that one was fucking scary. Because I was going 60 miles an hour for that one. The first one, it was only like 25. I know, that is something you can survive. But wrecking a truck, jackknifing a truck at 60, I don't know. That's by far the scariest thing I've ever had happen to me in a truck, and I've been out here for over 3 years now. It was a rough day, rough night. Wyoming was supposed to be mostly clear. I don't know what the fuck. It went to shit real fast. Like we got past Laramie, and it just a switch fucking flipped, and it was garbage. But we're shutting down tonight, We were gonna try and make Little America, but there's reports of black ice at the 111 mile marker pretty much all the way to Utah. And then Utah is reporting black ice up on their mountains. And typically we don't go through Utah. We take US 30 and go around Utah straight into Idaho from Wyoming. But with everything going on, we were like, you know, we should probably just take the big road, go through Utah up into Idaho. But they're getting, Utah's getting hammered pretty good, so we're probably gonna stick to our normal route. Take US 30, go through Cokeville, and stop at one of our favorite restaurants, the Ranch Hand Trail stop. I'm gonna get a pancake if we go by there. I'm getting some pancakes. Really want some pancakes, but I'm about to cook dinner. I wasn't gonna cook anything. I wasn't even gonna eat because, I mean, honestly, I wasn't even feeling it when I was pulling off the highway. I just wanted to go straight to bed, but figure I'll grab my phone, close the day out, maybe make a steak. I don't fucking know what I'm about to do, but today's video and tomorrow's video is going to be in one, just like the video I posted last night. So we're going to do 2 days per video, I guess, for a little bit until I can really get on the grind of knowing what to film and when to film and stuff like that. But I had my GoPro running for a lot of that bullshit. I'm hoping it got a lot of it. It was in time lapse. I'm hoping it picks everything up because that was fucking scary. I was on the phone with Danny pretty much the whole time. He got out too far ahead of me, so my radio wasn't reaching out to him. So we were staying on the phone just to make sure like we had good communication, what was going on the road. And yeah, I don't know. That was bad. That was really bad. But you guys have a good night. I'm gonna make dinner. Maybe I'll show you the dinner. It's not gonna be anything. I might just do a steak and maybe some baby carrots with some ranch. I don't know. I don't really feel like cooking more than that. Steaks are easy, but maybe I'll show you. I don't know. That will cheer anyone up. I don't care who you are. I've got the heat pretty much as low as it'll go, and it's still cooking it a little too fast, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But that right there, that is how you cheer anyone up, except for vegans. I'm gonna leave that at that.
If something happens to me, nobody can fucking say I wasn't asking for it.
I didn't care to pick up the camera this morning. Just kind of woke up in a weird mood. But we hit the road and we just drove through. It wasn't nasty, it was just blowing snow. Visibility was kind of low, but we just got through it, and now we're coming up on Little America, Wyoming, and this is what we're looking like. We're gonna see what it's looking like going through Utah versus going around Utah. As of right now, 84 and 86 in Idaho, that junction is closed going both ways. That's my info as of right now. So we're about to stop at Little America, top off, and figure out what way we're gonna take in. But if 84 and 86 still shut down by the time we get out there, I don't think there's anything we can do. We're just gonna have to park up until they open that back up. But this trip has sucked. Usually this is a 3-day trip. 3-day trip, like typically. This is just it's just been turning into a shit show. So, but that's trucking, and you just never know. We're out here on 30. The roads are looking great. Freaking love it out here. The mountain ranges and stuff, all covered in snow. Fucking love this. Just a 2-lane road. And we go this way a little bit longer. It's about a half hour, 45 minutes longer than like taking 80 through Utah and then going up north, you know, on I-15. But we go this way. That way we don't have to go up and down Three Daughters, or not Three Daughters, Three Sisters. We just avoid that mountain and then avoid the, you know, the Salt Lake City area. And we just come out here, and like I said, it takes a little longer, but it is so much worth it. Look at that. It's gorgeous out here. I'll let you guys know what's going on. Supposedly the interstates over in Idaho that we need are shut down, so we'll keep you updated. Gorgeous. I'm an idiot. I forgot to like film a lot the other day. After out there on US 30, I pretty much didn't film after that. But we made it to the delivery that night. We parked on their property. If that noise is annoying, I'm sorry. Trying to fill the trailer up with air. But yeah, we made it to the property, woke up, started the next video. And it's funny because I didn't even start the video. I just flew the drone, and that was like the start of the video. If I could even get that footage from the drone. I'm having a lot of problems. Haven't really been able to get the shit from this GoPro. I'm gonna keep trying. But I'm about to go out, do a pre-trip, knock the tires, check the lights. I already know there's an air leak back there, but alright. I'll see you guys in a minute. I gotta roll over and fuel as well, but that is 2 videos from now. So we made it. We didn't die. Yeah. Peace out. Love you all. Stay tuned.